In today's tutorial, we will show you how to efficiently find and remove duplicates using formulas in Microsoft Excel. Whether you are managing data or organizing spreadsheets, these tips will save you time and streamline your workflow. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to ShootBit. In this channel, we regularly publish software and technology tutorials, interesting and useful tips and tricks, and much more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are published. Open your Excel board where you want to find the duplicate. We are going to use conditional formatting to find and highlight duplicate data. This formula simplifies the task of finding duplicates by automatically highlighting or removing them, saving your manual effort and time. To begin, select the cells you want to check for duplicates. Go to Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cell Rules. Click on Duplicate Values. On the right box, pick for the formatting you want to apply to the duplicate values. If you want to automatically delete all the duplicates, you can use the Remove Duplicates feature. Before deleting duplicates, it is a good idea to copy the original data to another worksheet to avoid any information loss. Select the range of cell status duplicates values you want to remove. Click on Data and choose Remove Duplicates. Under Columns, check or uncheck the column where you want to remove the duplicates. Click OK. So now the duplicates will be deleted. These were the simple steps of how to manage the duplicates data in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are published.